Hey guys, this is Sophia with the Glam Shop. Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be the first in my series of me launching the online thrift store, Thrifted Glam. I know, I feel like I've been talking with my hands a lot lately. Like the last video, I was like, whew. So today I am working on a couple of things. And honestly, these videos won't be super structured, but I will try to keep with a theme. So today I'm going to be working on steam cleaning everything, prepping it before I start the photography tomorrow. So we need to get that done first. I feel like it's important. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but like the last couple of videos that I've been doing, it was in front of a blue screen. And if you'll notice, today we're back in my loft space, which is where I will be most of the time. So here are the clothes. So I've got it on the hangers here. And I'm just gonna buy racks as I need them. I did buy like actual pants hangers just because I don't want stuff once I steam it for it to get like wrinkled again. And as you can tell, it's like pretty wrinkled. So I have not unboxed the steamer yet or put it together. So I ordered it from Amazon, and I'll put the link at the bottom of the page, even though I don't know if it's any good yet. Okay, so let's open this up here. Yep, don't talk about me because I was way too lazy to go get an actual like box cutter. So I use my little pen because it's got a super sharp edge on it. Or I think this is actually a mechanic. No, it's a pen. Just fine. Whew. Okay. So it's a Conair Complete Steam something. 9-minute steam time. Full size fabric steamer. Smooths, de-wrinkles, and freshens. You see, I also like this one because if you see, look at the picture here, like it comes with the garment rack, so you don't have to try to like find somewhere to put your clothes. So like I had one before, but you actually had to go find somewhere to hang your clothes to use it, and yeah, that was kind of a nightmare. Okay, so I'm here now and I've got everything hooked up. I just went ahead and dropped this on top, and then I've got the handle resting up at the top here. So that didn't take us very long. That took us like a couple of minutes. 5, 10, whatever. That's a couple in the grand scheme of things. Okay, cool. So it says that it only needs water and that you don't need to put any type of solution in it. And I would prefer, I know some people wash their clothes, but here's the thing. I have, and I mean, I'm going to preface this with saying that you should wash whatever you get, whether that be from the store or from thrift, especially from the thrift store, because that stuff, when people are donating it, it goes into these bins, and these bins are not clean, and they do not clean the stuff. So now I preface it with saying that, but I would like to clean them. It would make me feel better, A, having them in my house, and B, when I'm shipping them out, I know that when they, get sent out, they're good. And the reason why I don't just throw stuff in the washer machine is because I have super sensitive skin. I know people with super sensitive skin. I wash everything in hyperallergenic stuff. No scents, no dyes, no nothing like that. And everyone doesn't use that type of soap. I don't use fabric softener, but here's the thing. I mean, I use fabric softener with my own personal clothes, but everyone else may not. And I don't want it to smell any type of way. I don't smoke. No one in here smokes. They're upstairs in my loft. They're away from like the kitchen that would make any smell. So I just want to keep everything super clean, sanitized. And so that was like really important to me when I was doing this. I wanted to make sure that everything comes from like a super, clean environment. And, I don't have any pets and I don't have anything like that. So like, yeah, it's just me. And I mean, if you consider a 3-year-old a pet, I mean, okay, I understand that sometimes. Let's get to it. Let's get our like first garment on here. Oh wait, I probably need to get some water. Let me read I'm gonna read the directions on this part because I don't want to mess this up. Okay. Now, before I fill in the water tank, and one more thing, because it's probably important too. Clean and stir. Turn the on and off switch into the off switch. Unplug from the power cord. Where the steamer is cooled completely for at least 30 minutes. Unplug the power cord. Remove the steamer hose. Remove the tank from the unit. Unscrew the valve and empty the unused contents. Allow the air dry. Remove excess water from the water by unscrewing the plug into the bottom of the steamer and letting the water drain out. Clasp the telescopic hanger rod. Replace water tank and store the unit. I could do one of those commercials, huh? Okay. So I'm gonna start with the pants because why not? But yeah, these are the ones that I got from the thrift store. I got 4 of these for $1, and I don't know if you ever tried to buy pants hangers like just personally for your closet. Some things, I just went to Walmart and it was like $1.98 for 2, and I got 4 for $1. Like, I grabbed all of them that they had. Alrighty. Hey. Does anyone else sing in the shower? Ooh. Like, this is a good microphone. Like, I'm sure there's gonna be some hot steam coming out of here real soon. But yeah. Okay, let's see. Fundamentals in reading. There is a pause on this thing, which is good to know. But I had it on the pause instead of on. So I just turned it on and now I can like hear the steam. Okay. Yeah. It's like super steady stream of steam coming out here. I don't know if you can see it like in the camera. Okay. You can see that. Okay. Anywho, if you guys get pretty close, you can see that it's definitely not as wrinkled as it was by a long shot. This is like 2 dual purpose. This is simply A, for germs. And honestly, it gives me like, a second look to make sure like there's no imperfections in it that I didn't catch at the thrift store. I mean, I don't think you can always catch everything, but I do inspect them pretty thoroughly, which is why it takes me quite a bit of time at the thrift store. Because I like to just make sure. I don't want to get home. I did that like on one thing. Let me show you. I saw this and I was like, oh man, this is so gorgeous. It even is like new with the tag still, right? And then I guess, see, when you're looking at it now, do you see anything wrong with that? I don't see anything wrong with that. And then, oh, it's separating from the little button thing. And I'm like, how is it new with tags and it's separating? That sucks. So all that to say that being able to steam it also gives me like a second look, like, did I miss anything? Is anything rumbling? Is everything okay? Cool, it's good. It's good to go. You guys can see the struggle. I'm only on garment number 2 and I have quite a bit more to do, but yeah. You see these? They're like a army green and black leopard print. Oh, these are super gorgeous. Super gorgeous. I would absolutely wear every single one of these myself if they were all my size, but they are not all my size. So got an Amazon box today. We can crack this one open as soon as I find my handy dandy pen. This is how I know that those hangers were a steal, because after I unsuccessfully went to Walmart and they were two for $1.98, which is like, yeah, $1 a piece, or was that 99 cents a piece is what it comes out to. I bought these at the Amazon. And I want to say, I'll put the link in the bottom in case, again, you're needing pants hangers just for your closet. In fact, if you know somewhere where I can get 25 for less, or more for less, or you know what I mean, like per unit less, then yeah, holla at your girl. So anyway, so this is my first installment. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you like this series, if you want to see more. Task 1, clean the clothes. It's probably gonna take me another couple of hours, I'm not gonna lie. You see how long it just took us to do that one? Yeah, I mean, partially because I was talking to you guys somewhat while I was doing it. I'm about to crank up the tunes on the music and get cracking. Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time here. Welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button so you can see the rest of the journey. Follow me, buy some stuff, maybe, I don't know, or be inspired to start your own stuff. Hey, I know I'm not the only person doing DIY stuff. I'm not the only person that's like starting my online thrift store. There are a lot of people, but you know, there's only one me and there's only one you, and that's what makes us lovely, unique people. So, till next time, thanks.